Hello viewers. Welcome to IT Tecture. In this video, I am going to show you how to play piano, even if you don't know how to play it. You can play piano easily without learning. You just need a software called Everyone Piano and Midi file of the song which you want to play. But first, if you have not subscribed our channel, click on the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to never miss any update. To download Everyone Piano, go to the link given in description and download the latest and official setup of Everyone Piano. After installing it, go to your Start menu, and type Everyone Piano. And click on this icon. When Everyone Piano is opened, you can play every song here if you know how to play piano. But wait, we have to play piano without learning it, and without knowing how to play piano. So just click on the file, and then click on Open. Here, you can open three types of files. First, .eop. Second, .mid. And third, .ove. To download these files, just go to the link given in the description and download the MIDI file of the song which you want to play. After downloading it, select it from here, and when you click on Open, this song will be start playing like someone is playing it on keyboard. Let me show you. You can click on the pause to stop playing. You can also record your own file if you know how to play piano. Go to Files, and press Record, and the recording will be started. If you play any note, it will be recorded. I am going to close it. So this is how you can do it easily for free. If you like the video, press the like button. Subscribe the channel to get notification of all new updates. Also share it to others so they can take benefit of it. Take care, until we meet with the new video.